Feeling the familiar dread of payroll day looming over you? Wondering if there's a better way to handle it all without the spreadsheets, the endless double-checking, and that nagging fear of making a mistake? Whether you're a new business owner setting up your first payroll or an established company looking to streamline your process, getting your payroll settings organized from the very beginning can save you countless headaches down the line. We're talking about avoiding costly errors, staying compliant with the law, and giving your employees the confidence that their hard-earned money will show up correctly and on time. The secret to a stress-free payroll process lies in 3 simple pillars: setting up your company details accurately, organizing your employee data with a clear system, and creating a consistent, repeatable process. Let's break them down. 1. Get your company settings right. Think of this as building a solid foundation. You need to make sure all of your company's essential information is correctly entered into your payroll software. This includes your employer identification number, EIN, your company name, and your business address. This seems simple, but any typo here can lead to problems when filing taxes later. Next, you need to set up your tax liabilities. This means entering the correct federal, state, and local tax rates that apply to your business. This is a critical step, as these settings determine how much tax you withhold from your employees' paychecks and how much you owe the government. If you're unsure about this, it's a great idea to consult with a tax professional or an accountant. Finally, set up your pay schedule. Are you paying employees weekly, bi-weekly, or on a monthly basis? Whatever you choose, make it consistent. A consistent pay schedule helps with budgeting and builds trust with your employees. 2. Organize your employee data systematically. Once your company settings are locked in, it's time to focus on your employees. For each one, you'll need a complete set of information right from the start. We're talking about their full legal name, their social security number, their mailing address, and their W-4 information. This form tells you exactly how much federal income tax to withhold from their paycheck. But don't stop there. You should also have a system for tracking things like their hourly wage or salary, any deductions they've authorized, like for health insurance or retirement plans, and their bank account details for direct deposit. The key here is to have a single, organized place for all of this. Avoid keeping this information scattered across multiple spreadsheets or sticky notes. Use your payroll software's features to their full potential, creating a central hub for all employee data. 3. Establish a repeatable process. Now that you have your company and employee data organized, the final piece of the puzzle is to create a process you can follow for every payroll run. This process should be a checklist, guiding you through each step to ensure nothing is missed. Your checklist should include steps like reviewing and approving employee hours or salary adjustments, adding any bonuses or commissions, checking for new hires or terminations, reviewing the payroll preview for accuracy. This is your last chance to catch any errors before hitting the Run Payroll button. Sending pay stubs to employees once the payroll is complete. By following this checklist, you're not just running payroll, you're building a reliable, consistent system. This consistency is your best defense against errors and gives you the peace of mind to focus on other parts of your business. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.